Okay, how am I gonna get up here? Oh, now? I'm just gonna jump on the guard's head. Okay, this is a new helicopter we can use. I can put this on here, and then now we can fly it when we put the engines in. Okay. These two people look good. Here, I'm also gonna go in the seat. Here, I'm putting the tools in. Okay, I deleted my seat from here, and now it's time to fly. Professor Andrew?
Yeah.
Professor Andrew, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, wait. Before we're ready, I have to lift this thing up. Can you guys help me? Can you help me?
Okay.
Lift the helicopter up one time. Ugh. Ugh. Okay. Okay, you need to re-help me.
Okay.
Okay, let's lift it up. Okay, good, we did it. Okay, let's go to his museum or whatever he calls it. Okay? Okay. Either way, it doesn't matter. I still think that we still have to barricade, and we have to send people to the safe place because of the dinosaurs.
Yeah.
Oh my god, look at his museum.
Yeah.
Wow, look at those dinosaurs. That looks so beautiful. Wow.
I hope it doesn't see us.
Oh shoot. These people who the commander sent, they're pretty nice. They're just here to protect us. Wait, I remember. The commander sent, the commander gave me a walkie-talkie. He gave me a walkie-talkie so I can communicate with him. Wait, he's talking to me right now. Hey, Professor Kobe. Yeah, boss? Yep, Commander? So, basically, there's been a storm and you need to come back to the base. For real? Yes, I'm sorry. Okay, let's just go back. Let's go back, guys. Professor Andrew.
Yeah.
This is still a good time.
Yeah, pretty much.
This guy's probably one of the bodyguards, I think. Yeah, he's probably one of the bodyguards. Okay, where do you signal this whole entire thing? Oh, he's right here. He tells us or whatever. Wow, I didn't even know when he appeared here.
Wait, what soldier's missing?
The soldier is gonna go park the helicopter. Okay, look in the radar. Oh my god, that's a lot of storm. Yeah, I also need to tell you something. What is it, Commander? Come over here. Okay, how come? What is it? Okay. You see that all the way over there? Yeah. If you keep going straight down, you would arrive at the next Jurassic Roblox place. For real? Yes. It's where you can what is it called? I forgot. Commander, it's okay. It's where you can stop the dinosaurs and you can stop the dinosaurs and tell the other commander to stop this virus. Okay? Okay. Professor Andrew? Professor Andrew? Professor Andrew? Professor Andrew, we have to get to Jurassic Roblox remake. Professor Andrew, okay? Okay, let's get to the helicopter. Okay.